I don't know if that far rock over there by that bush is in the zone or not. But that's the only thing that really has an angle on you right now. Oh shit! It's behind that rock. I don't know if that guy behind you died. Oh, it's just you and this guy. Okay, alright. I don't know, that's the only place it can be. Maybe that tree, he could be prone on the other side of this hill, just... There he is. Nice, dude. Good for you. Oh, dear God. I have 0 hit points for that fucking match. How many kills did you get? Jesus Christ, dude. How did I not fucking shoot at anybody? Alright, well, that's a good win. It's a good one to end on.